In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Microsoft Excel files in Gmail. Whether you're working from home, in an office, or simply checking emails on the go, knowing how to quickly locate Excel files can save you a ton of time and keep your workflow smooth. So let's dive right in and make sure you can find those important files whenever you need them. Now, Gmail offers a robust search function, which is incredibly useful for finding specific attachments like Excel files. To start, open your Gmail account in your web browser. In the search bar at the top, you're going to type a specific search query, file name XLSX. This search query is essentially telling Gmail to look for any emails that contain attachments with the XLSX file extension, which is the format for Microsoft Excel files. It's a powerful way to sift through your inbox, as it narrows your search down to only those emails that have Excel files attached. Once you've typed that into the search bar, press enter or click on the magnifying glass icon to initiate the search. Gmail will then display a list of all the emails containing Excel files. This feature is extremely helpful if you receive a lot of attachments and want to avoid scrolling manually through endless emails to find that one important file. You might notice that the results also include emails with attachments like spreadsheets from Google Sheets saved as Excel files, making this method versatile across platforms. Remember, while this search is specific to finding Excel files, you can adapt it to find other file types simply by changing the file extension in the search query. For example, using file name PDF will help you locate PDF files and so on. A quick tip here is to take advantage of Gmail's label system by organizing emails. If there are Excel files you frequently access, you can create a label specifically for those emails and filter them. This makes future searches even faster as you can just click on your label. Additionally, if you find yourself repeating searches often, you might consider using Google's advanced search operators to make your queries even more refined. Operators like after, before, or from can help you limit searches to a certain date range or specific sender. So to wrap up, using file name XLSX in Gmail's search bar is a straightforward, efficient way to find Excel attachments. It's one of those small tips that can significantly streamline your productivity and ensure you can easily access the information you need when you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this tip makes managing your emails a little easier. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.